Hi and welcome to our channel. As a family who loves exploring the world together, over the years we've learned a few tricks on how to make our travels more budget friendly. Today I'm excited to share with you 32 tips that will help you save money. During the video you'll notice some clips from our own travels, and if you'd like to know more about those destinations, feel free to check out the full videos, which will be linked in the description below. Now join us as we help make your travel adventures both unforgettable and affordable. Planning your trip in advance is crucial to optimize both time and budget. This way you get the best deals on accommodations, flights, and activities. You can set a budget and make sure that you have enough time to reach it. We usually start planning a year or more before a vacation. First we choose the destination, then we buy the plane tickets, and from there we add the hotel, car rental, and activities. Platforms such as Expedia or Viator have a convenient reserve now and pay later option for excursions, car rental, and hotels. This allows you to spread the cost over time rather than paying everything upfront. It can help. It's a smart way to manage travel expenses more flexibly. Explore package deals that combine flights and hotel. Most airlines offer great deals and you can find them on platforms such as Kayak, Expedia, or Booking.com. Often these packages are all-inclusive, which means you get 3 meals a day, drinks, and snacks. A plus when you're looking for a vacation away from the kitchen duties. What a bonus when you don't have to think or spend any money on food. Just put your feet up and relax. Sometimes flights with layovers are cheaper, and when you think about it, if you end up saving a couple $100s, it can definitely be worth the hassle. Avoid baggage fees by packing light and opting for carry-on luggage or a backpack. This way it's also easier to use public transportation. Careful because airlines have caught on and they're now charging for carry-on as well. In this case, a backpack or a bag that fits under your seat can be a good option. Look for hotels and resorts that offer kids stay and eat free programs. They're usually geared for kids 12 and under. In many cases, you still have to pay for taxes and plane travel, but the food and lodging part is included, which saves a lot of money. If your child is of school age, consider traveling a few days before school breaks or a few days after it ends. There can be a notable difference in price, which are often extremely high during school vacations. Accommodations outside city centers are often more affordable, and public transportation can still provide easy access to attractions. Renting an Airbnb can be a cost-effective alternative to traditional hotels. Often there's more space, kitchen facilities for preparing meals, and staying in a residential neighborhood makes for a more immersive and authentic experience where you can connect with the local culture. Of course, this is not for everyone, but if possible for you, choosing a cruise that sets sail from a port near your home city comes with a great perk. No need to worry about pricey plane tickets. By keeping it local, you skip the expenses and hassle of air travel. This means more money stays in your pocket. Guess what? You're allowed to bring your lunch on the plane, as long as there's no liquid when you go through security. It's an excellent way to save money when you travel, since airports and in-flight food options are super expensive. However, avoid packing foods with a strong smell that could bother the other passengers. We usually pack sandwiches, veggies, fruit, potato chips, and yes, we bring candy. Not a good idea, you say? Okay, I'm just kidding. They're good, well-behaved kids. More and more airlines offer free Wi-Fi while in the air if you subscribe to their loyalty program. Flights where we personally experienced this recently were Air Canada Aeroplan and Delta Airlines SkyMiles. Pack reusable water bottles to avoid buying expensive bottled water throughout your trip, and it's a plus for the environment. We bring our empty water bottles and fill them up after security before boarding the plane. This way we stay hydrated throughout the flight. Car rental companies at airports charge higher fees due to convenience costs. By choosing a rental location away from the airport, rates are often more affordable. Plus, some off-airport rental companies may provide shuttle services, making the whole process more convenient for travelers. Choosing a manual car rental over an automatic offers an advantage. Manual transmissions tend to be more budget-friendly, so the perfect choice for budget-conscious travelers. However, and please trust me on this, make sure you can drive shift or practice before leaving. You don't want to spend your whole entire vacation trying to relearn how to drive manual. Once I was so sure of myself and I was like, I can do it. I ended up having to ask the rental company to switch to an automatic. It ended up costing more. And it was very embarrassing in Europe where everybody is perfectly able to drive shift, except me it seems. Take advantage of educational discounts for families as many museums and attractions offer reduced rate for children and students. Bring snacks or a picnic to the beach and eat a full meal later at a more reasonable price than at the beach snack bars. Plan outdoor activities such as hikes, nature walks, or beach days, which are often low cost and extremely enjoyable and rewarding. Set a budget for souvenirs and make sure it's something useful. Great ideas include spices, hot sauce, coffee, a t-shirt, or something the person collects. My mother-in-law loves those little spoons from around the world and we always try to get her one. We found that buying the usual keychains and such is a waste as it always ends up collecting dust after a while. Many resorts, hotels, and most cruise ships include childcare services, kids clubs, and teen clubs, allowing parents to have a break without breaking the bank. Usually the kids club all have gated access. Parents must sign the youngest kids in and out. Activities might include arts and crafts, sports, scavenger hunts, karaoke, pool parties, and some offer cooking classes and even science experiments. Super fun! You can join hotel loyalty programs to earn points that can be redeemed for future stays or amenities. For a cost-effective and fun activity, rent bikes and explore the destination on 2 wheels. Create your own tours instead of paying for more expensive guided tours. You can use online resources and maps to explore landmarks and attractions. And for a few dollars, you can also download high-quality self-guided walking audio tours that are narrated by local experts on sites or apps such as VoiceMap or on Viator. This way you save money, you can use it as many times as you want, discovering your destination at your own pace. Links in description. Purchase snacks and essentials from local grocery stores instead of only eating at restaurants. We love to have most of our breakfasts at home, then we often eat out for lunch and or dinner. Check out local events and festivals which can offer unique experiences without the high costs of typical tourist attractions. A picnic on the beach can be super romantic for couples, a fun experience for families, and you save $1. Plus, you can discover local delicacies. In our experience, little restaurants that offer food to go or food trucks often end up being our most delicious finds. Many cities offer free entry to science centers or museums on certain days or during specific times. Check out the cultural calendar of the place you're visiting where you'll see what is offered and where. Free admission not only saves you money, but provides enriching experiences for the whole family. Choosing local cuisine makes for a better travel experience and is more cost-effective than dining in touristic establishments. Visit local markets, try street foods, and explore small, authentic restaurants to save on dining expenses. Sport activities can add an element of fun and adventure to your trip. Look for affordable or free activities such as hiking, cycling, beach games, or even surfing or ice skating for a healthy and active vacation. Camping is a budget-friendly option that allows us to connect with nature. Research campgrounds in the area where you're visiting and plan a camping night or two. It's a great way to experience the outdoors and create lasting memories. Exploring the cultural and historical heritage of a place can be both educational and budget-friendly. It can also be fun. Many historical sites offer free admission all the time or on specific days. Many hotels have partnerships with nearby attractions or businesses and may offer exclusive deals to their guests. Ask the front desk for potential discounts to save on different activities, excursions, or dining experiences. Research the public transit system of your destination. Most of them have a website with routes, prices, and map. Plus, it's an eco-friendly and economical way to explore the area. We hope you found these tips valuable to create incredible memories without straining your budget. If this video is helping you out, please do us a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below. Doing so really helps our channel to grow and it motivates us to make more content like this one. Thanks for watching, and may your travels be filled with happiness, discovery, and a few extra dollars in your pocket.